Right. Everyone, see the 13th problem. Show that the relation R is a relation in set of all polygons. Polygons means it have n side. It is a closed figure. It is a closed rectangle is also one of the polygon, and a square also one of the polygon, and a circle is a one of the polygon. Polygon means closed figure. Okay, na? Whatever the closed figure, we should say that it is a polygon. Hexagon is a polygon. Pentagon is a polygon. Hexagon means it has six sides. Therefore, it is a closed figure. Any closed figure is called as a polygon. Okay, na? Any closed figure is called as a polygon. Is it clear, everyone? So, right. So, A is a set of all polygons. 13th problem. First, write down 13th problem. A is equal to set of all. So, that is the set relation is the polygons. So this is the polygons. So set of all polygons, I will write polygon. We can take hexagon have the six sides. Hexagon have the six sides. It is the one of the hexa is a polygon. So five sides is called as a pentagon is a polygon. Square is a polygon. Rectangle is a polygon. Circle is a polygon. Closed figure is called as a polygon. Okay, na? Right. But it have number not only six, not only five, n sides it should have. Okay, na? Maximum sides is the n. N sides closed figure is called as a n sides of the polygon. Okay, na? Right. So R is the relation. What is the relation? Is a set builder form. P1 is a one polygon, P2 is a another polygon. Only not only 2 is given the n sides of the polygon. In this one, P1 is a closed figure, but circle is not a polygon. Why? Circle is not a polygon. Why? Why? Circle also closed figure. Circle also closed figure. Okay, na? Closed na it is a. So it is a open. Open means it is a not a polygon. This is not a polygon. If it is the open means it is not a polygon. Any figure it is a closed. It is called as a polygon. Okay, na? Right. Next one. Yes, closed figure with the straight lines also you can take. Anyone you can take with the straight line. So rectangle is a straight lines. So it is a closed figure. So two horizontal straight lines, two vertical straight lines. So it is a rectangle. It is also polygon. It is also polygon. Okay, right? That is not a sides. So we are not going to say that circle has no sides. No, no, nothing. Any closed figure is called as a polygon. Okay, na? Any closed figure is called as a polygon. So it have a n sides. Okay, that is it have a n sides. So then for circle, how can you convert as a polygon mean? So now see this is the circle. So now I will take like this one. So now I will take like this one. So it is a hexagon of the polygon inside of the circle. Okay, na? So now we can write this is that. Okay, na? Right. Right. See the next one is but we are taught circle is not a polygon. So what is the question is circle is a polygon means so circle means polygon means okay na circle is a polygon means it should be closed figure of a circle. Closed figure of a circle is a polygon. Closed figure of a circle means it is a rectangle, we can take, now it is closed, now it is a closed. So this is a polygon. Closed figure of a circle is a polygon. Okay, na? Yes, circle, only circle is not a polygon. Closed figure of a circle is a polygon. First only I will tell, closed figure of a circle is a polygon. So, okay, na? Circle is not a polygon. Closed figure of a circle is a polygon. Right. Right. Everyone see, now we go through the, everyone, here is the P1, P2 are the polygons, 13, R1, P1, P2 have same number of sides. P1 and P2 have same number of sides. Same number of sides. Same number of sides. Okay, na? P1, P2 have same number of sides. Okay, na? So now one time we can see. So P, sir, only two polygons is not given. N polygons is there. So this is the one, this is called set builder form. Set builder form, they will write one order only. Okay, na? One order, P1, P2. These type of the orders we have number of P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, up to N we can write. Up to N we should be right. Understand? So P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, up to Pn minus 1, Pn, P, order pace we can take. Okay, na? Up to Pn minus 1, Pn order pace we can take. This point should be remembered. Okay, na? This point should be remembered, everyone. Now the board is clear, Nama. Now the board is clear, na? No problem, na? All right. So that is up and down is some is there. That's why I am asking board is clear, na? Board is clear, na? All right. So here reflexive relation, write down, Amma. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. I will take same polygons. I will take if A comma A belongs to R, for every A belongs to A. For all P1 polygon and P1 polygon both are equal or not equal. P1 have the 6 sides mean. Again P1 also have the 6. Number of sides of every polygon is equal to itself. Every polygon is equal to itself. Rectangle is equal to itself. Square is equal to itself. Okay, na? Every polygon is equal to itself. Now write down. So every polygon, every polygon, every polygon is equal to itself. Is equal to itself. Is it correct, Amma? So every square is blues are at the time in middle access. Blue because of network problem is there. So that's why I'm asking. Okay, na? Okay. Sometimes it is coming blue only because of up and down is coming. Network. I am observing here is up and down is coming. Network problem is there. Okay, na? That's why reflex is understanding number P1, P2 same I will take, same I will take. That means every polygon is equal to itself. Every polygon is equal to itself. Therefore, reflexive. Therefore, reflexive relation. So why we are doing the reflexive relation mean every figure is equal to itself. Every figure is equal to itself. That is the telling about that one. So first point is every figure is equal to itself. That is the reflexive. Symmetric relation, right, Anama? Symmetric relation. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies reverse order also belongs to R, then only we say that commutative relation, we say that it is a symmetric commutative. That means already symmetric means I will tell. So what is the upside area is equal to downside area, means upside and downside equal, downside and upside is equal. That is the symmetric. Symmetric means upside and downside is equal, downside and upside is equal. Symmetric means equal areas, equal area. Upper area equal, downside area is equal. So in terms of algebra, in terms of figures, okay, na? Right, let us read, sir. Okay. In terms of figures, right. Reflexive relation. I will write big letter. They are asking if A comma B belongs to R, that implies B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to A set. For A comma B belongs to A set. Okay, na? Anusha is clear, Nama? Right. Now see. Figures. Symmetric is upside area, downside. Circle have semicircle we can take, upper area is equal to downside area. Upper area is equal to downside area. Okay, na? So that is called, in figures is the symmetric. In algebra is the reverse commutative. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Reverse is equal. So okay, na? Right. So here is take for all P1 comma P2 belongs to R, means P1 and P2 have the P1 and P2, P1 and P2, P1 and P2, P1 and P2 have same number of sides, 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 same number of sides, same number of sides. Is it clear, Amma? Same number of sides. P1 have the 6th side, P2 also have the 6th side. Okay, na? P1, P2 have the, sorry, you are changing question, or it is like that. What question is changing? What question is changing? I am not changing the question. I am not changing the question. Same question only. I am not changing the question. Question is the P1 and P2 have the same number of polygons. That's I not write same number. That's why I will write now only. I forget same. Have number of sides not a correct. Have same number of sides. I forget. Now I will correct it. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. P1 and P2 have same number of sides, means P1 have the 6. So it is a triangle, have the 3 sides in the P1. Another triangle, P2 also have the 3 sides, but sides, okay, these P1 and P2 have the same number of sides. It have the 3 number of sides and it have the 3 number of sides. That means P2 and P1 also have the same number of sides. Now I will write reverse order, write down. Here only write down reverse order. Here only write down reverse order. P2 and P1. P2 and P1 have same number of sides. Same number of sides. Is it correct? Is it correct? P1 and P2 and P1 have the same number of sides. That implies P2 comma P1 belongs to R. Therefore, symmetric relation. Therefore, symmetric relation. Write down the transitive relation. Take 3. Transitive, take 3. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Right. Everyone, first write down the definition. First write down the definition. For all AB one order pair belongs to R and another order pair is BC belongs to R. That implies first and last AC belongs to R. For all ABC belongs to A set. A set have the n polygons. So in that one, I will take 3 polygons, P1, P2, P3, 3 polygons I will take. So I will take P1 comma P2 belongs to R. That implies P1 and P2 have same number of sides. Same number of sides. Same number of sides. Another order pair I will take. Another order pair I will take. That is P2 comma P3 order pair also belongs to R. It have A is the n polygons. Okay, na? So next P2 and P3 have same number of sides. Same number of sides. Now see, P1 have the 3 sides, P2 have the 3 sides, P3 have the 3 sides. Now tell me, P1 and P3 have the same number of sides or different? P1 have the 3 sides, P2 have the 3 sides, P3 have the 3 sides. Then P1 and P3 also have the same number of sides. Okay, na? Now write down. That implies P1 and P3 have same number of sides. Same number of sides. That implies P1 comma P3 belongs to R. Therefore, transitive. Therefore, transitive relation. Okay, na? Both 3 are true means equivalence relation. Both 3 are true means equivalence relation. Right, work out the equivalence relation, everyone. Is completed. Any other second part is there in that one? Right, second part is what is the set of all elements related to right angle triangle T with sides 3, 4. Second part is C. One right angle triangle is there. One right angle triangle is there. Its sides are 3, 4, 5 is given. 3, 4, 5 are given. How can you say that it is a right angle triangle? Means you should follow the Pythagoras rule. What is the Pythagoras rule? Is side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here side square is the 3 square, another side square is the 4 square. That is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. That is equal to 5 square. That is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square what is the name of the triangle? Is the right angle triangle. Therefore, 3, 4, 5 side is a right angle triangle. Now write down. Therefore, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 sides triangle is a right angle triangle. Right. Yes. But it is the equivalence relation now. Equivalence is 3 are satisfied means it is the equivalence relation. Okay, na? All right. Everyone go through the 14th problem. Fast entry to the 14th problem. 15, 16 we have to complete it means. Today 1.1 exercise is going to complete it. 14th problem. First, everyone see in our textbook, or already I tell that you should be download from the Google. So PDF, you can take print out and we can observe the problems. Okay, na? Same 1.2. Sir, why you took triangle example? Not triangle means rectangle you can take. Rectangle means not a square, we can take any one. Example for that one, any one we can take. Not only triangle, any one we can take. Rectangle also take, square also take, any one figure we can take, closed figure. Okay, na? Right. Here, L be the set of all lines. L is the set of all lines. L is the set of all lines. How many lines we have? How many lines means? So these are the n lines. N lines we have. Okay, na? What he is telling? R is a relation. R is a relation. Order pair, first line and second line. So just set builder form is given. 13th sub question is different, sir. 13th sub question is not a different. What is the set of all elements A related to the right angle triangle T? 3, 4, 5. One time C. Sir, we give the textbook by taking from serious. They will simply throw. Give textbooks by. I have only one textbook. Okay, na? Right. L1 and L2. L1 is parallel to L1. L1 is parallel to L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. I will tell all series. You go and you can go through the series and you can ask, they will give. Already I intimated the, so already they know. You can ask means they will give. No need to intimated by me or other person. If you ask means they will give. No one cannot be through the textbooks. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. Only 10 minutes is there. Now everyone see. Right, everyone see. And for second part also there, or is the equivalence relation you have to see. Reflexioma. Everyone write down the reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. For if A comma A belongs to A, same. For all A belong here L belongs to A set. For all every A belongs to capital A set. Now write down for all L1 comma L1 belongs to R. Every parallel line is parallel to itself. Every line is parallel to itself. Every line is parallel to itself. L1 is parallel to itself. Parallel to itself. Every line is parallel to itself. L1 is parallel to itself. Therefore, reflexive. Therefore, reflexive. Every line is parallel to itself. 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 Okay, na? Therefore, yes, equivalence relation is correct, Abhay. Now go through the symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Everyone go through the symmetric relation. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies B comma A belongs to R for all AB belongs to, for every AB element in the A set. So here L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. L1 line. This is the L1 line. This is the L2 line. L1 is parallel to L2 means, so everyone observe, L1 line is parallel to L2 line. L1 line is parallel to L2 line. That means L2 also parallel to L1 or not parallel. L2 also parallel to L1. Okay, na? Now I will write. L1 is parallel to L2. That implies L2 is parallel to L1. L1. L2 parallel to L1. That implies L2 comma L1 reverse order also belongs to R. Therefore symmetric. Therefore symmetric. Therefore symmetric. Therefore symmetric. Okay, na? Write down transitive, everyone. Transitive relation. Everyone write down the transitive relation. Transitive relation. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, that implies A comma C belongs to R. For all A, B, C are the every element. A, B, C are the elements of A set. Okay, na? Write down the transitive, Amma. Write down transitive. Fast. Everyone write down the transitive. L1 comma L2 belongs to R. That implies L1 is parallel to L2. So L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. For all L2 second order pair, L2, L3 belongs to R. L2 is parallel to L3. That is L2 is parallel to L3. L2 is parallel to L3. L2 is parallel to L3. Now see, L1 is parallel to L2. L2 is parallel to L3 mean L1 and L3 are parallel or not parallel? See, L1 and L3 are parallel or not parallel? See, L1 and L3 are parallel or not parallel? See, L1 and L3 also parallel. So that implies L1 is parallel to L3. That implies L1 and L3 belongs to R. Therefore, transitive. Right. Therefore, equivalence relation. Yes, parallel now. Therefore, equivalence relation. One more second bit is there, see everyone. One more second bit is there, everyone see. Second bit is there. What is the second bit is? Find the set of all lines related to the given line. Find the set of all lines. Find the set of all lines. So what is the y is equal to 2x plus 4? This line, set of all parallel lines. So this is the one line. Another line I will write, see, y is equal to 2x plus 1. It is also parallel line. Only constants are different. They are parallel lines. Y is the same. X is the same. Constants are different. Parallel lines. Constants also different. Parallel lines. So y is equal to 2x plus 5. Another parallel line. How many parallel lines we have? So number of parallel lines we have, but its general form is y is equal to 2x and c. Constant is the different. Constant is the different. Okay, na? Constant is the different. Constant is the different. C belongs to R. C belongs to R. C belongs to R. Okay, na? So constants are different. X is the same and Y is the same. Constants are different. Parallel lines. How many parallel lines we have? Mean number of parallel lines. What is the general form? Is Y same, X same, but constant is the different. What is the C belongs to? Real number. Okay, na? Right. Right. Everyone see the 15th problem. Let R be the relation. 15th problem first CM. R is a set is R is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 4 comma 4, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3, and 3 comma 2. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone observe and tell me. So repeated we have. Repeated we have. 1 repeated we have. 2 repeated we have. 3 repeated we have. 4 repeated we have. Repeated elements in the relation. Reflexive. 1 is reflexive. It is a reflexive. Next.